Winchester, the gun that won the American West, celebrated in movies and legend, folklore, and song.
Of my old Kentucky home.
The name Winchester carries with it a romantic heritage of accuracy, dependability, and adventure.
I wouldn't come any closer, Mr. Penn.
One of the oldest manufacturers of lever-action repeating firearms in the world, Winchester has long been the preferred brand of firearm for multitudes of American legends. The Texas Rangers, Buffalo Bill Cody, Annie Oakley, Deadwood Dick, and the Duke himself, John Wayne, have all carried Winchester firearms. Winchester brand firearms have been the choice of lawmen, sportsmen, cowboys, and showmen, and Americans from all walks of life. In 1910, former President Theodore Roosevelt wrote of his beloved and faithful Winchester Model 1895 in his book, African Game Trails, referring to it affectionately as his big medicine. Designed with mechanical ingenuity and constructed with advanced manufacturing techniques, Winchester firearms have always represented innovation in the firearms industry. Decades before Henry Ford and the automobile, Oliver Fisher Winchester utilized mass production techniques to bring quality products quickly and affordably to customers. But more than innovators of design, Winchester firearms have often been regarded as handcrafted works of art. Many special customized guns have been meticulously hand-decorated with checkered or carved select grain stocks, engraving, and precious metal inlaying. These beautifully intricate guns have become prized possessions of collectors of guns and art alike. For more than a century, the legacy of Winchester firearms has been known throughout the world for dependability, functional design, and commitment to excellence. Now, as Winchester firearms charge into their second century of greatness, the adventure continues. After years of unfortunate undercapitalization, which caused the company to struggle to survive, Giat Industries has joined the legacy of Winchester, making a major multi-million-dollar investment in the long-term future of the U.S. Repeating Arms Company. Thanks to the courageous investment by Giat Industries, U.S. Repeating Arms is prepared to step into the future of manufacturing, opening new world markets and creating a modern, innovative operation that is prepared to compete in a global economy.
Winchester has needed this new facility for probably more than 50 years, and nobody had guts enough to do it until Giat came along, until they changed management of the company, and it means a great future for Winchester. We'll now be able to produce product very competitively, and it means that Winchester is once again coming to the forefront.
Well, I'm excited about it now because before Giat, we didn't have an open world market. You know, it was basically here. And we get letters and we get very positive things about the workmanship of the gun.
The second century of greatness for Winchester brand firearms began on October the 14th, 1994, with the dedication of the new modernized gun manufacturing plant in New Haven, Connecticut. Union workers, management, investors, government officials, and dignitaries assembled together to celebrate the dedication. This day would mark the day that U.S. Repeating Arms announced the powerful return of Winchester firearms as a leader in the firearms industry. It was a historic occasion, and the international press members gathered to record and report the event. The new 225,000 square foot plant houses all new state-of-the-art or refurbished manufacturing equipment, along with new quality control measures to ensure that the firearms produced in the plant are among the finest in the world.
We have made a major investment in new equipment. We have, through Giat Industries' courage to make such an investment, we have been able to bring in many pieces of new equipment that will allow us to make a far better quality product for our customers and to improve our efficiency and to reduce our costs.
You got a marriage of new equipment, old equipment. Sometimes you can't beat the old equipment. And the two working together, you've got top quality, you've got CNC control, everything is there.
The new plant is carefully laid out for a more efficient flow as production proceeds from small parts manufacturing to assembly to the precision testing of the finished guns.
We spent $15 million on either retrofitting, rebuilding, or brand new equipment. A lot of this equipment is CNC, new technology to improve our quality, give us tighter tolerances, economies of scale, and ultimately to make a better product for a more reasonable cost. The mission of a firearm is to put a projectile downrange. Our equipment and our processes have now been directed towards doing that as accurately and dependably as possible.
The plant begins its new era of production, manufacturing 4 models of Winchester firearms. The Pre-64 Model 70 is back and better than ever. The gun called the Rifleman's Rifle is available in 1995 with the patented Boss accuracy system, and it'll be a sure favorite. The most famous rifle in American history, the Winchester Model 94, known as the gun that won the West, makes its centennial return. The popular lever-action Model 9422, the only rimfire rifle with a valid claim to a portion of the Model 94's legacy. And the Winchester Model 1300 shotgun in its dozens of specialty configurations. But the new facility will also see a change of a different sort. A change in the way union employees and management work together. A joint commitment has been reached between the International Machinists Union and U.S. Repeating Arms Company management to adopt a Team Cell working environment. Team Cell is a unique production concept that empowers employees. Under the Team Cell concept, workers work together in cells and combine their talents to solve problems and meet production objectives. By empowering each worker, product quality is greatly improved by instilling employee pride into each and every firearm. U.S. Repeating Arms has taken the cell concept a step further to benefit customers with the Just-in-Time Cell, or JIT Cell. JIT cells create a flexibility in production. Now production lines can shift gears more quickly and efficiently to fill a customer's demands, making it easier and more economical to respond to market conditions. Under the umbrella of cell programs, union and management will unite in a mission of cooperation to work together to make U.S. Repeating Arms Company a profitable force in the world market. Over time, it's the objective of the U.S. Repeating Arms Company to implement the new Team Cell concept into virtually every aspect of production. Presently, the Team Cell concept is in the process of being implemented along the new production lines. In some areas, it's already showing significant results in the quality of production. The dedication of the new factory illustrated the new attitude of team spirit in the enthusiasm of the employees.
Today you can see the changes in the people, the faces, smiling people. It's the same old people, different attitude. We're headed toward world class. They say 5 years, I'll bet 2 years we're there. The people are making it happen today.
The quality of a Winchester firearm today is second to none. Fit, finish, new ideas, improved manufacturing techniques make it the finest firearm in America.
I believe today symbolizes an opportunity for this company to completely turn things around and become a real force in the firearms market. I believe that we can supply our customers with a quality product on time and make a profit doing so.
My father's been here for, on and off, like for 23 years. And the way they talk to him, the way we all communicate over here is like one family. Everybody treats each other like family.
So the quality is coming back, the customers are coming back, and that's the positive.
The Winchester brand and U.S. Repeating Arms Company now face the next century with a new, modernized operation that's prepared to compete profitably in a global economy. The combined forces of the International Machinists Union, the U.S. Repeating Arms Company, and the bold investment by Giat Industries have brought the legacy of Winchester firearms back and have ensured the adventure will continue into the next 100 years and beyond.